Hello, this is now I'm going to explain on how to create simple live vectors for use with the AlphaCam as the toolpath actually for the complex ornamental works um, like this. Devised it by multiplying a couple of ovals together in this a little crazy looking way, but still it's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be looking good on the inside door panels, like one of those, the complex panels inset. For this time I decided to devise something original, something genuine, generic, that will make a good impression on the interior design. But technically we still have some peculiarities, and those are of the complex task along the way, and probably to follow up with this processing will make a lot of bit easy and help to skip on the painstaking manual cleaning of this ornamental path. So here we have the clean path, which is actually technically this is a spline. This is not live geometry but a spline, just a segment of geometrical figures. So the task number one is to restore it along the way, but for the Illustrator here, first of all I need to emphasize, I need to show off the actually the path. So I tried to offset for in this case it didn't work much, but the outline stroke is working well, and for the moment you see there were more paths being added here, and so it will help us to create the actual geometry we need. For my concern is on how to read off this redundant geometry here, and on this way the best way to achieve the generic path and to combine the geometries is to by adding the clipping mask, for example. It will make the all works easy, and it will proceed with all these joints automatically. So I'm pressing the rasterize here. Make sure to preserve the spot colors, create clipping mask, and this is not necessary to have a something around object. Now let's wait while it's proceeding, while it's rasterized. It will create a perfect new layer in the layer panel here. Just for in the case I've made a copy of the actual group I'm working on. I have some more complicated samples, but this one is very eloquent, so we can follow up with the sequence of operation and find out how it works. And as you can see now, by this red outline, we already have this perfect outlined the clip group here. Let's say, let's isolate, and that is all. That is the job is done. We have this path, and please see in the part number 2, please see the expert in the AutoCAD and down in the AlphaCam for machining. Alright, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. This was Dr. Genuks for you.